What is up, everyone? And today we're going to be downloading a vulnerable machine and try to start hacking into it. So first we want to go to Google and type in Vulnhub, V-U-L-N-H-U-B. And what this site does is host user-created vulnerable machines that we can go ahead, and it also comes with tutorials, and we can go ahead and start hacking into these. So if you go over to the left-hand side or the top, we want to click search, and for this tutorial we're going to be looking for Mr. Robot. So you can just type in Mr. Robot, and yes, it is based off the show. I like doing themed vulnerable machines because it makes stuff a lot more fun. So we can just click this first one. It doesn't really matter which one you choose. And we want to go ahead and download the .ova file. So now that we have VirtualBox set up and VirtualBox does take OVA files, we should be good to go. So once it's done downloading, we can start importing it in. It should just take a few minutes. Okay, so now that Mr. Robot has been successfully imported, we just want to change up a couple of settings. So we can go ahead and click Settings and go to System, and we can leave the RAM as at 512 as well as the processors at 1. You can change this if you want, but most computers aren't powerful enough to be allotting large amounts of RAM and processors. So the good thing about vulnerable machines is that they're pretty low end. We're not going to be interacting with them too much. We're just going to turn them on and leave them there. But one setting we do want to change is the network setting. So we can go ahead and click Network and change this bridged adapter to NAT network. And what all these settings mean is NAT is essentially the exact same as NAT network except not pre-configured. Bridged adapter is a direct connection to whatever NIC you have. So whatever internet access your computer has currently, it'll just connect straight into there. Host only adapter will just completely isolate the machine and it will have no internet connection nor connection to your computer. And those are just the major ones that are super important. So we want to make sure it's NAT network. Make sure that it's the correct network, test_1. Make sure that advanced settings say allow all, and we should be good to go. Go ahead and click OK. And we can start this up now and it should work properly. Awesome, so now it's working successfully. So we know that currently Kali1 and Mr. Robot are on the same network and they can talk to each other through our NAT network. In the next video, we're going to be getting into Linux basics. Thank you.